Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some Malayalam words with the symbol Kettupulli Dirgham and their English meaning. Kodadi, court. Kodali, axe. Kotuvai, yarning. Govani, ladder or stairs. Kone, corner. Kopam, angry. Komali, buffoon. Komballe, canine teeth. Kosham, cell. Godambu, wheat. Golam, spear. Chodyam, question. Chora, blood. Choru, cooked rice. Jolly, work. Thorny, boat. Tolvi, defeat. Tol, shoulder. Novu, pain. Notam, looking. Pocket, pocket. Poral, scratch. Mona, gums of the teeth. Modi, fashion. Modiram, ring for the finger. Moshanam, theft. Moham, desire. Modam, pleasure. Yojip, union. Rogam, disease. Rodanam, crying. Romam, hair. Logam, world. Loham, metal. Lobham, greed. Shokam, sorrow. Shobha, beauty. Shoshanam, leanness. Poi, went. Kota, fort. Kottayam, a place. Thotam, garden.